Hello guys, this is Masonic Storm. Today we're gonna clean the air conditioner coil. This is the coil that I have. We're gonna clean this, and we're gonna use the spray that I bought from Amazon. You can check on my description below. Here it is, the Frost King air conditioner coil foaming cleaner, heavy duty detergent. This easily remove dirt, grease, and this is the good thing is self-rinsing on condensate producing coil. You can use this for car radiator, lawnmower, engine, refrigerator, freezer, coil, and more. Let's see how it is. And of course, if you want to rinse it, I will do the rinsing also. And you can buy the Home and Garden spray, which is this is Chaplin. There you go. This we'll start cleaning on this, so you can see not too much dirt, and of course we need to do this uh, every 3 years or 2 years. This has been like 3 years already, so the company recommended me to clean it, and they want to clean it, but they charge a lot, so you can do it by yourself. And before you start that, one thing you're gonna do is turn off the AC, the main switch, so that it's more safe for us to do it. All right, try to clean up everything, just to spray it. And this one doesn't require rinsing, but for me, I'm gonna rinse it right there. And also your blower, I did this last time. You can watch my video on the link below also on how to do it. Right, so yeah, like that. So we're gonna start it now. All right, okay guys, before you do it, I recommend put uh, some towel just in case, and brush it before you spray it, and use your gloves, and have your face mask, and also you have your goggles on. All right, so check the instruction of this is a sprayer, and now we're gonna start spraying now. Shake it well. All right, and now I'm gonna start spraying on it. First on top, going down. It's foam right there, as you can see. Okay, it smells good. Smells like lemon. There's some flavor on it. Okay, so you can see that. So keep doing that. Going down. Shake it again. Right there. So you can see that. Oh, It's removing the dirt already. Okay, keep shaking. Alright. Yeah. Okay, you see how much I spray it, and then we'll do also on top right there. Now I spray it ready. So as you can see, the dirt is coming out. Look at that, the yellow. Okay, right there. This is self-rinsing, as you can see. I think yeah, like that. It's a little bit clean now. So if you're gonna rinse it more, I mean you're gonna spray it more. I bought two, so I'm gonna use two. I'm gonna spray it again one more time, so it's gonna be clean more. Yeah, like that. So yeah, it's good. So it's better now. See, it's more clean, unlike earlier, right? Let's see on top too. Oh, see, have to spray more on that on top. Right. Okay. As you can see though, it's so clean now. Look at that, right there. I haven't rinsed yet, but I'm gonna rinse it right now. So I'm gonna do it through the home garden spray. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna use this for spray like that. You see that? Alright, it's better, right? Do a clean more. Look at that. I spray it on top first. It's better for me to rinse it like that. This one sprayer is a home and garden spray, so you can buy also at Amazon. Yeah. Alright. Okay guys, this is how I rinse already. You see that? How clean it is. Right there. It's good. Clean. So that's how you clean it, guys. This AC coil. So you can do it by yourself and save some money. I hope you like my video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you.